In this video, I will quickly show you how to sell on Fiverr and start offering your services online. First, go to the Fiverr website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are inside, click Become a Seller to activate your seller profile. Next, complete your profile by adding a photo, description, and your main skills. Then create a gig, which is the service you want to sell. Enter a clear title. Choose the service category and write a description explaining what you offer. After that, set your price and upload images or examples of your work. When finished, click Publish Gig to make your service available online. Your gig will appear for people searching for that type of service. The better your description and presentation, the higher your chances of getting clients. And that's it. Now you know how to sell on Fiverr easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.